Hey guys, what's up? It's Kahoob here. So today, Crypto.com just announced that NFTs from Crypto.com/NFT now has on-chain withdrawals. This means it's on the DeFi wallet, so we can go to Crypto.com/NFT, and the ones that are basically just on that website, they can finally be moved. So they're not just locked into that specific website or anything like that. So we can actually now own the actual NFT in a non-custodial way. So I'll show you guys how to do this. There's also a step-by-step instruction right here that they did. I just wanted to make this a video basically just explaining how, this is the amazing first step to completing phase 1 of the intergalactic roadmap for the CRO chain. So these are my two NFTs, and so I'm gonna click on Snoop Dogg. And I like that. I don't know if I could ever change the volume or pause it before, but I do like that. So anyways, I have that's my public address, and I can either sell it or I can view crypto.org chain details and see what it looks like, the owner, creator, all and everything that's related to and all that. Anyways, I can click withdraw NFT, and I can choose which recipient address I want it to go to. And then once I input that, that's when it'll withdraw. And I'll do that right now just to show you guys everything step by step as well. Okay, so I just got my address. I can paste it in. You just want to make sure yours is completely correct. Then you click withdraw, and then they'll send a verification email. And then you'll want to wait for that to come in, and then just copy it and paste it over here. Sorry about the dogs in the back. Okay, withdrawal in progress. We'll notify you by email when the withdrawal is complete, and you can view withdrawals. And now, as you can see, it's withdrawn, and now I just have this one I have to withdraw, and I can do that as well. And then I can just wait for it to show up in my DeFi wallet as I just have to simply wait. So I just scrolled down on my DeFi wallet through the crypto.com or the NFT section with the crypto.org chain, and it just showed up right now. So literally, right as I withdrew it, it showed up on chain instantly on the DeFi wallet. So it was pretty easy to get, very simple. I like how crypto.com does it, very simple and easy to withdraw, and you pretty much see it instantly on the DeFi wallet app. So it's actually pretty cool. In the app, you can choose a cryptocurrency or NFT to spotlight on your NFT section throughout all your NFTs, and it's just really cool in the app. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll also have their version. They probably explain it a lot better, but I just wanted to make an announcement video, basically just letting everyone know that withdrawals are enabled, and this is a huge step for phase 1 on the intergalactic roadmap, and it seems like it was a big success. So I'm very excited for phase 2 and for projects to start being developed on here. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more future content like this, and I'll see you guys later in my next video.